Welcome to the final training video. Now that your session intake application has been submitted, you're ready to begin searching and applying for internship opportunities. The internship board is where you'll find available internship opportunities. To access the internship board, select Internships from the top right of the portal navigation menu. Use the search bar to find positions that match your interests. Each internship posting provides important information. If an opportunity interests you, click the internship title or card to review the complete internship description. When you're ready to apply, select the How to Apply button. Depending on the employer's setup, you may see one or more application methods, such as apply directly through the portal, apply on the company's website, send a resume by email. Choose the appropriate application method and follow any instructions provided. Once you've completed the application process, make sure to select Applied and select Submit to finalize your application. The employer will then be able to review your information. To monitor your progress, return to the internship board and select the Applied tab. This tab displays internships you've already applied to, making it easy to keep track of all active applications. After applying, 1. The employer reviews your application. 2. The employer may contact you regarding next steps. 3. Mass EEC reviews program eligibility requirements. Mass CEC may reach out for more information regarding your profile, transcript, or other information. Make sure to keep an eye on your email for communication from Mass CEC's internship team or notifications from @careerteam.com or @careeredge.com. 4. If selected, the employer proceeds through the matching process and will need to submit an offer letter signed by you to complete the process. 5. Once approved, you'll see confirmation of your internship placement in your profile under Programs. When a placement has been approved, information becomes available through your Programs tab. You've now learned how to search for internships, apply for opportunities. Good luck with your internship search, and thank you for participating in the Mass CEC internship program. If you have questions, please email the internship team at internships@masscec.com.